Just as oxygen serves as the most important element to life on Earth, oxygen also serves as one of the most essential components to the health of a body of water. Floating fountains, submersed diffused aerators, and nanobubble aerators all help provide circulation and beneficial dissolved oxygen to lakes and ponds. Finding the right aeration solution for your lake or pond depends on a number of factors, but Solitude Lake Management aquatic scientists agree there are 3 main benefits that all aeration systems provide. Number 1. Aeration helps improve water quality. By inducing circulation and adding dissolved oxygen, many undesirable symptoms of a stagnant and stratified lake or pond are removed. Pond aeration helps clean the water of cloudiness and odors. Most importantly, it helps to reduce the accumulation of organic sediment on the bottom and reduces available nutrients in the water column, thereby reducing the likelihood of algae blooms and aquatic weeds. While all aeration devices help improve water quality, nanobubbles are considered the newest aeration marvel within the industry. EPA registered and proven to actually kill algae, this new tech produces bubbles 1 million times smaller than ordinary bubbles, providing dramatic and long-lasting results by saturating the water with up to 79,000 times more oxygen than traditional systems. Which brings us to number 2 on our list. Aeration helps reduce the risk of fish kills. Low dissolved oxygen or DO levels are often responsible for killing fish. The natural processes that occur in well-aerated water bodies help manage the nutrient load on the pond and deliver adequate dissolved oxygen to the ponds during times of natural stress. Number 3. Aeration improves the look of your lake or pond. A well-aerated water body is much less susceptible to issues like cloudiness or algae blooms. Additionally, floating fountains, fixed architectural fountains, and decorative custom waterfalls are a perfect tool for those looking to add an additional element of beauty and dimension to their water body. Most run their aerators year-round to maximize benefits and minimize issues. Ultimately, all water bodies are different, so your goals will vary. You're going to need custom solutions. So we recommend finding an expert to help determine which aeration system best suits your unique needs. Solitude Lake Management, dedicated to making water a more healthy and beautiful part of our world.